great to have you here on the French Pavilion of WHX Dubai 2026. So NORAKER is a French specialist and a European leader in bone graft technology. So can you tell us a bit more exactly what that means?
Yes, so NORAKER has been involved in the development of biomaterial products since 2005. It is now the European leader of bioglass. We export our products worldwide, where we kept our French DNA, and we're really happy to be at Aravel to get the people to know our products better and to find new partners.
Obviously, so you come to Dubai to find new customers, to meet your actual customers, but what it is that you're actually going to show them?
We are going to show them our main products, so bioglass, which is available in two forms, putty and granules, but also our calcium phosphate cement, which is called QuickSet, and we are going to answer all the questions our partners will have.
So Marc, I see plenty of devices on the table. What it is exactly that you're going to show us?
In fact, first of all, this is the bioactive glass syringe and it's ready to use. We just have to remove the cork and then you inject, for example, in cages for spine surgeries. And when the product is in the cage itself, okay, it's quite sticky and it does not move. So it means that during insertion, it will not move, we will not face any leakage of the graft. And as a second product, we have our calcium phosphate cement as well. We just transfer the liquid to the second part, but we need to mix it during 3 minutes. And when it's ready to be injected, we can either use the delivery gun or use the system as it is.
Thanks for the demo. So who are actually the customers that you sell that to?
Normally, we are selling to surgeons and specifically orthotrauma surgeons, as well as spine, neurosurgeons, CMF surgeons, even dental surgeons. As far as we have bone, all the cavities can be filled either by the putty, the granules, or the calcium phosphate cement, and we are selling that throughout the world.
Great. Well, thank you very much. I wish you a very successful WHX Dubai 2026.
Thank you to French Healthcare. Thank you very much.